Hi, Jeff White from White's. One of our customers is actually going back to a trade that he originally was, so we're moving this on. This is a Powerclean Liberty in good condition. It's got 45 metres of vacuum hose and solution hose, plumbed in externally here, but in really good condition. The HiAce is a 2010 with 190 k's turbo diesel and very clean in the body, and it is automatic with 190 k's, and it's got your 3-seater setup in there if you've got to pick up children, that sort of thing. But as you come around the front, you've got reverse camera and all that sort of thing, and a nice little nudge bar. But it's a very clean, straight van, and that's just come on the market now. So it's all been serviced here by us. So good property for anyone that wants to get started pretty much straight away. It's here for inspection anytime you like. It will be sold with a roadworthy and everything as well. Thank you. Sorry, but one thing I missed there before, I didn't open it up. Fully sealed cargo barrier, chemical shelf, and lots of room here for a portable or scrub or anything else that you're carrying. Okay.